everybody, Jared with Jared Rushing Fishing back again, new video. Y'all, we are practicing today for the Anvil Jaw Bass Club Championship here on Lake Degray. Found some fish here last weekend. I hope that video is already posted by now. We're gonna try to expand on a couple of areas. I'm gonna hope the GoPro does good. The GoPro's done got to where it is overheating and goes out sometime middle of the day, so we're gonna check it periodically and hopefully don't lose any footage for y'all, but y'all stick around. Got him foul hook. Got him foul hooked. He ain't 12 either. He's only about 11, 11 and a half. April, I guess. Let's see if we got to keep it. I don't know if he's going to be 13 or not. He doesn't look it. He looks about 12 and a half. A little skinny snake head. He got a big head. Got a real big head, but he's just short and squatty. Oh. Nope. 12 3/4 with a dang 2-pound head. That fish all the way. That ain't gonna do it. They gotta get much bigger. They're getting bigger, but he still ain't 13. Well, dang, that sucker's got long all of a sudden. I think it's 13. I don't even know. It might be 12. If it's 12, that's a keeper. And 7/8. So if it's 12, it's a keeper. Yeah, he's 13. He's gonna be right at it. There's some good grass in here. I'm sitting looking at some hydrilla right there. Boy, I will say he got it good. Get bit one more time, we might start here. Yeah, that's a 14-inch fish. Right at a man, that's a long 14. got down that grass, or I got him foul hook because he got bigger all of a sudden. Oh, it's a Kentucky. That's one you don't see all that often right there is old Kentucky. Called that, didn't I? That's a big fish. That's a really big fish. That's a big That's a really big fish. That was a 3.5 pounder. I called that. Gosh, dog it, I called that. Man, I just said what's going to end up happening is I'm going to get on one of these little curves and I'm going to pitch this plopper up against a piece of timber or a transition, and you can see the transition right there. It goes from chunk rock to little, peat gravel. I said I'm going to catch a big one. And lo and behold, I didn't even set the hook on that one. That was a 3 pound, at least 3. Better than 2.5 for sure. Probably less than 3.5, so somewhere in that neighborhood. Unreal. Whatever it is. There you go. Oh gosh. I'll figure out what it is. Broke me another reel. Look at this here. That's your. Whenever you got them on there, you just hold them like this. This is how you bring them in here, boys. Ain't this dumb? You're not supposed to break a reel off. I still got him. I don't know what he is, but I got him. That was a good black. About a 13.5, 14-inch black. There we go. Okay. Ow. Here's a keeper. This rod's still plenty good. That's real. So I just had 4 bites on this one top, and I didn't swing on any of them. I got the hook buried real good. I just wanted to see if I could get bit. The one over here on the outer edge felt like a pretty good fish, and that one that I just had hit me felt okay. Oh, I'm getting bit right now. You see my rod? That's all in the same cast. So there's fish on this top, several fish. We're gonna troll out of here. We're not even gonna crank. Oh God. Did you? I hope that was on camera. I'm just easing this thing back towards me. These fish are trying to take it away. Yeah, we're gonna be back on this top tomorrow. Good night. They're behind us. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we are. Finally figure out what they are. Just what I thought they were, little bitty white bass. But there's a gob of them. It's crazy. There he is. That was fun. This is stupid. You basically just reel until your whopper plopper goes away. I hope that strike was on camera. That was pretty good. You know, considering it was a little baby white bass, it was a good one. Wow. Look at what's in this dude's mouth. Look at how many shad he has in his mouth. I mean, looking at the heads, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. Little greedy son of a gun. Oh yeah. Yeah, all right, we out. I ain't messing with these fish. This is a good one here. Yeah, we're out of here. I ain't even gonna educate these fish no more. Yeah. These are big ones. That was a 2-pounder. That was a 3. That's a pound and a halfer. That's a 2. That's a 2. All I can say is, Lord, please let these fish be here tomorrow. Yeah, just 2 3/4.